Everyone, I'm Jamal Kabatingan Corbo from BSA Block A. So today we will talk about how to achieve physical well-being. So what is physical well-being? So physical well-being refers to the optimal functioning of the body and its system, encompassing factors that contribute to the overall health. And there are 7 following tips on how to achieving physical well-being. So first is eat healthy food. So an unbalanced diet can lead to multiple diseases. Too much sweets can cause obesity and diabetes. Too much salt can lead to kidney problem, and eating oily food may lead to high cholesterol and heart problem. So that is why is it important to eat healthy food to maintain a healthy lifestyle and avoid diseases. And by following these tips, you can work towards achieving and maintaining good physical well-being. And that's all. Thank you.